Okay, back again. We are still in the same level as the previous video with our zone graph in a loop. Now we will make it interesting by adding some options for paths the characters can use. Drag a zone shape into the middle of the loop. Set its lane profile and tags in the Details panel. Then change it from Spline to Polygon in the Details panel, and change the endpoints from Sharp to Lane Profile. Select one of the polygon zone shapes the new piece is facing. Then add a point on it where it is in relation to the new piece in the middle. Right-click and select Add Point here. With the new point selected, change it to a lane profile in the Details panel. Then rotate it so it is facing the new piece in the middle and connect them. How far you drag one side will determine the path. You will see the lane profile stretch as you drag it. Do the same thing with the polygon on the opposite side. Select it, right-click to add a point, change to lane profile, rotate, and drag it to connect to the piece in the middle. This one I added a standard zone shape to bridge the connections. This way I am not distorting the path as much. It is entirely up to you which method will serve you best. It really depends on your level. You don't want to drag an intersection too far, but if they are too tight of a turn, it will also cause issues. Now we will do the same thing to the sides we haven't yet. Select the polygon shape you have in the middle. Add a point near the center that will face the sides we have not yet joined to the middle. Rotate and drag it part of the way towards the side polygon your new point is facing. Next, select the polygon shape your new point is facing and add a new point that we can use to connect it to the center shape. Change to lane profile, rotate, and drag to connect it. Then repeat these steps to connect the opposite side. Add a point to the center shape, rotate, and stretch. Add a point to the polygon it is facing. Lane profile, rotate, and stretch and connect. I decided to add a straight shape to connect the final side. It helps to show how differently the paths go with the different position of the connecting points. Save. Build zone graph. Save. Now I am selecting all of the zone shapes without the data piece and clicking the folder with a plus sign in the top right of the outliner so it will put all shapes into their own folder. This helps if you have many different paths. I started using paths like this because at player level, it gives the impression of random wandering. I am working a zoo or safari type level. I am too lazy to add and configure city sample crowd to this project. I set up different animals instead, but they all work the same way. I am going to change the lane profiles so I can demo characters walking on the path. You do not need to do that. I just need to add a spawner real quick. I have not covered the character configuration. Viper DKUE5 and Mick Games 2K99 have done that already. Links below to their channels. If I'm asked, I will make a video to cover that too. Let's get some lions wandering. Let's start with 20. And there they are. I will have another video with some more extreme connections that really help me get the desired effect I am looking for. Thanks for watching.